Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to fix error code 7. Let me show you it real quick. Look it up. It's an Xbox with an error code 7. I'm going to teach you how to fix it. And there's two options for fixing it. Well, it's pretty much easy. You can buy a mod chip, or you can build, and as you can hear, it has a ticking in it. And just watch. It's got a horrible sound to it. And it'll give you error code 7. And right there is an error code 7. And it's got the red light. So I'm going to teach you how to fix that today. So first off, you're going to need a set of screwdrivers. And hold on. Okay, so get the screwdrivers, unhook the Xbox, and take it apart. This skip I'm going to step because it's pretty easy to, and self-explanatory, or I'm going to do it really quick. Anyways, here we go, and I'm going to begin taking it apart. Don't really know how to do this, but I'll do my best to get in pretty good at it. Don't know if you can really see that or not, but I'm going to go ahead and speed this through. Turn on some music for you guys. Okay. So when you get the Xbox taken apart, it can disconnect all the cables and check what motherboard revision it is, which is pretty much an easy thing to do. You can just I have all kinds of different motherboard revisions. There's 3 Xboxes sitting here and 2 behind me. Anyways, this is the original drive. We're going to be replacing that drive with another Xbox drive that's from a dead Xbox motherboard. So to do this, you're either going to need a mod chip. You don't have to necessarily use an Xbox hard drive. You can use any hard drive, any size. I would recommend using a 250 or anything in between there. Anyways, go ahead and remove the DVD drive and the hard drive. And once you have those removed, just take that off. And you don't necessarily, how do I explain this? To do this, it's not very complicated, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Just take all the cables out and take the motherboard out itself. The complicated part comes later. don't need this hard drive. You don't need it. The one that's dead and not working. So you can pretty much throw it away. So I'm gonna just take it out. Sorry you can't see this part, but it's kind of taking me a couple of minutes to get this video done. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get the hard drive out, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the motherboard itself, and I'll come back to you when I get that done.